Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in AT&T Inc. Full guide step by step clearly.
Begin by researching AT&T Inc.
Visit financial news websites and stock analysis platforms. Look for the latest news about AT&T's business performance and market position. Understand the company's services, including telecommunications and media.
Check AT&T's financial statements to assess its profitability.
Evaluate key financial metrics like revenue, net income, and earnings per share. Consider studying AT&T's dividend history if you're interested in income investing.
Next, open a brokerage account if you don't already have one. Choose a brokerage that supports trading in U.S. stocks. Complete the application and fund your account with an initial deposit. Once your account is active, search for AT&T's stock ticker symbol, which is T. Analyze historical price charts to identify trends. Review analyst ratings and price targets for further insights.
Decide on your investment strategy, whether it's buying for the long-term or short-term trading. Determine how many shares you want to purchase based on your budget and risk tolerance.
Place a market order to buy AT&T shares at the current price or a limit order at your desired price. Monitor your investment regularly to stay informed of any changes in AT&T's performance. Consider setting up alerts for significant news or price changes related to the stock. Evaluate your investment periodically to ensure it aligns with your financial goals. Stay informed about the telecommunications industry and market conditions that may affect AT&T.
Finally, be prepared to adjust your strategy as needed based on performance and overall market trends. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.